Now see the one question. Open T-SAP account of creditor Raghuveer and write the following transaction on the proper side. So Raghuveer going to open the account of Raghuveer in T-SAP format. Who is Raghuveer? Raghuveer is the creditor. He is the creditor. So we are going to open the account of Raghuveer, who is the creditor. And you know the creditor means liability. So increase in liability, we write this side, you know it, and decrease in liability, we write this side. Decrease in liability, we write this side. Okay, increase in liability in credit side and decrease in liability in the debit side. Now the first transaction is purchase goods from Raghuveer on credit. If we business purchase the goods from Raghuveer, so our liability will increase because we have to pay the amount to Raghuveer in future. So liability will increase. So this side we will record it buy. In credit side we start with the buy and debit side we start with to. So buy, we purchase the goods from Raghuveer. So here purchase, we have purchased the goods from Raghuveer on credit, so our liability is increasing. So we will write in the credit side 50,000. Why we have written in the credit side? Because we have purchased the goods from Raghuveer. Raghuveer is our creditor to whom we have to pay, business have to pay the amount in future. So liability of the business has increased. So when there is an increase in liability, we'll write in the credit side. So first one will be write in the credit sides. Now second, return goods to Raghuveer for rupees 5,000. We have returned goods to Raghuveer. The goods which was purchased from Raghuveer, that goods has returned. When the goods has returned, it means we have to pay the less amount in future. So this will decrease your liability. So return we will write this side. Return we will write this side. This is your purchase return. This is what? This is your purchase return. Purchase return. This is the transaction number. This one is the transaction number 1 and this one is the transaction number 2. 5,000. So our liability will decrease if we return the goods to Raghuveer, then we have to pay the less amount. So our liability will decrease. So that's why I have written in the debit side. Next is paid to Raghuveer. We pay the amount to Raghuveer. When we have paid the amount to Raghuveer, our liability will decrease. Our liability will decrease. When we pay the amount to creditors Raghuveer, then our liability will automatically decrease by that amount. That's why we will write this side paid. How much amount we have paid? We have paid 30,000. This is the transaction number 3. Transaction number 3, paid to Raghuveer. We have paid maybe through cash. We have done the payment through cash. So cash payment is done. So cash. Okay. Next, purchase goods from Raghuveer on credit. Again we have purchased the goods on credit. Our liability again increase by the amount of rupees 16,000. Point number 4, transaction number 4. paid to Raghuveer again. When we pay the amount to Raghuveer to cash, our liability will decrease. Our liability will decrease. We have paid 20,000 to Raghuveer. So our liability will decrease by 20,000. Now what we do the total of this side. This side total is 66,000. This side total is your 55,000. So difference is how much? This side is 66. I have written 66 this side as well in parallel to this. So difference amount I am going to write. This indicate your balance. Balance. So balance is how much? Balance is 11,000 is the balance amount. This is the balance amount of creditor Raghuveer. Means this much amount we will pay to Raghuveer in future. Okay.